concept of upgrading is to bring old files into your new database. So you've been working and you have some old files in an older database and you need to bring them into this new database. So the directions and the process for upgrading, you go to Scripts, Admin, Upgrade, and the instructions are going to come up. Read these instructions carefully and slowly. The basic concept is that you need your old database, which needs to be as a FileMaker version 12, and your new database, your blank database, your actual copy, in the same folder. So two databases in the same folder is what we're trying to achieve. I'm now in my folder system. I've created a folder called the Upgrade folder. So I'm going to do all my upgrading in this folder. And then when I have all my records in one database, I'm going to move it into my actual folder so I can continue my work for the rest of the year. So I'm trying to get two of these in here, two databases. So first I'm going to actually take my blank database, which is going to be my master database, and I'm going to put it into that folder. So I'm in the Upgrade folder, and remember, this is my master. Now I need to get my old database into here. My old database, which happens to be, I'm going to copy it, version 7, and I'm also going to put that into that folder. So now we're following the instructions. We have two databases in the Upgrade folder. But notice this is version 7. I need to make this version 12. So there's a process for that so that we can have two purple icons, and then we'll be able to do the upgrade. To move a version 7 file to version 12, I need to open the FileMaker Pro version 12 application. You know, the whole program, which I've done. I hit Control O. I'm going to open a database. Now, sometimes you might get a little menu that pops up. I recommend for this process use the file so you can get into your folders, work out of your actual folders. Now, I've opened, all I need to do is go to my Upgrade folder where I put that older version. I'm trying to get this into a purple version 12. I'm just going to open it, and it's going to just, when I open it within FileMaker version 12, it's just going to prompt me to convert the database. So I'm going to hit OK. It's just going to do it automatically. I'm going to hit save. Takes a little time, just be patient. Now, this is going to ask you for your old password, which you need to put in. This is now the old database. It's just showing it. I opened it up, and it's the old database in FileMaker version 12. I'm going to save a copy of this database. Oh, it's in there automatically. I already saved it. I'm just going to see what happens. I'm going to save it. Now in my Upgrade folder, I've got my old version 7. I don't need all these, I just need two files. I'm going to get rid of that one. I had made an extra copy here. And I'm going to get rid of the old one, the version 7. So now you can see we have the original. This is my actual database. I'm actually going to rename it actual so I'm clear. and we have the old one. So we're going to bring records from this one into that one. Now if you read the instructions carefully, for the upgrade to work, I need to rename my old file as 21cclc space lowercase old 21st space cclc lowercase old. It must be like this to bring it into this one. Now I have the two files as I need them in a folder. I'm kind of going to start over now because I'm going to open the FileMaker 12 application. I've got this quick start, and I could use this. This is just a quick way to get in, but again, I don't like using that. I'm going to use this way. So in order to bring the records of the old into the new, or the actual, I'm going to open up the actual one because I'm going to bring records into it. Put in my password. This is my actual database. The records are going to come into this. I'm going to do the upgrade now. I'm going to go to Admin, Upgrade. Okay, this is an automated method. Old records will be added to the new. So I have no records in here yet, but I'm going to bring in mine. Rename your old database 21cclc old with the spaces. Hopefully I did that right. Now I want the student list, I want the students, I want the attendance, I want the programs, I want the staff. You can click what you want. Remember, this is the old database, so I had a different password for this one. And beautifully done. I can now check. I have 95 records. I have 22 programs. I'm hitting Control J. I have all my staff people, my reports. Let's see, I want to make sure my attendance records came in. They all came in. I've imported. So now I have all my records in here. But this file is all ready to go, but now I just need to clean it up. This is good. I'm gonna actually, I don't need this stuff anymore, so I'm gonna cut it, and I'm gonna put it in my actual folder, so that now I'm just ready to go. And I'm gonna go back to upgrade and clean out these files. I'm just gonna delete these because I don't need these. I finished my upgrade. I'm just deleting. And we're good to go. Well, I'm going to get rid of these, but you don't need to see that.